The A-frame sits at the front of the caravan and is where the jockey wheel with handle, hitch head, handbrake, red breakaway cable and 13-pin connection are located. Rotating the handle of the jockey wheel raises the caravan up or down. When hitching the caravan onto your car, raise the Alko stabilizer main handle. The stabilizer keeps the caravan more stable whilst towing. The height of the hitch head needs to be higher than the tow ball on the car, so that it can be positioned over the top of it. First, check your car's tow ball is clean, free of rust and undamaged. Carefully reverse your car so that the tow ball is as close to the hitch head as possible. Release the caravan handbrake and maneuver the hitch head using the front grab handle until over the tow bar and reapply the handbrake. Lift the small black handle and lower the jockey wheel enough so that the hitch head connects onto the tow ball. When positioned correctly, the small black handle on the stabilizer will snap back into the down position. Next, push the main handle of the Alko stabilizer down. It will click and lock into place, which then activates the stabilizer for travel. Check the visual indicator on the hitch head has a green band, visible immediately below the red button, to check a proper connection has been made. Now, connect the breakaway cable by looping it around the tow bar on your car. If the caravan is disconnected from the car for any reason, the cable would snap back, activating the handbrake and stopping the caravan immediately. The jockey wheel can now be stowed. Fully raise the jockey wheel, then turn the clamp anti-clockwise. With the wheel facing backwards, lift the jockey wheel up into the A-frame and tighten the clamp. At this point, you can release the handbrake. The handbrake is designed so only a small amount of pressure is needed to activate it and stop the caravan from moving. This is important when in storage, as the brake will only be activated by the amount needed and is less likely to stick. Remove the 13-pin plug from its dedicated position and connect to the socket by the car's tow ball, and turn 90 degrees until a click is felt or heard and the cover flap sits over the circular surface of the plug top. Check that all the external road lights of the caravan are active. Finally, if your caravan is fitted with the Alko automatic trailer control system, check the status light on the A-frame. This will initially light up red while the system self-tests and then turns green. If the LED does not change to green, then the ATC is not functioning correctly. Do not tow the caravan until it has been rectified. Please refer to the Alko ATC handbook for more details and fault finding.